In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Windows 11, Updated 2026 Full Guide. Keeping your PC up to date is essential for security, stability, and the latest features. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and save any open work. Updates can require a restart, and you don't want to lose progress. If you're on a laptop, it's smart to have it plugged in so the update doesn't pause due to low battery. Let's start by opening the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut takes you straight into Settings, so you don't have to search through menus. Once Settings is open, you'll see a list on the left side. Look for Windows Update and select it. This is your hub for everything related to updates, including available patches, optional features, and your current update status. On the Windows Update page, click Check for Updates. Windows will begin scanning Microsoft's servers to see if there are any new updates for your device. This can include security patches, driver updates, and feature improvements. The check usually takes a minute or two, but it can take longer depending on your connection and what's available. While Windows searches, you'll see status messages as it checks, downloads, and prepares updates. If something shows as pending, that's normal. It means Windows is lining things up in the right order. If updates are found, Windows will start downloading them automatically. You can continue using your PC while this happens, though performance may feel a bit different during installation. Some updates apply quietly in the background, and others need a restart to finish. When you see a prompt to restart, make sure your files are saved and any important apps are closed. Then go ahead and restart to complete the installation. The restart process can take several minutes, and your screen may show progress percentages. Avoid turning off your device during this time. After you sign back in, it's a good idea to return to Settings and the Windows Update page to confirm everything is up to date. Sometimes additional updates appear after a restart, and Windows might run a quick follow-up check automatically. That's it. By using the Settings shortcut, opening Windows Update, checking for updates, and restarting when prompted, you ensure your Windows 11 system stays secure, smooth, and current. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated PC.